Okay, so now we've got that stuck onto there. The next step is to install your base cap trim on top. It'll look like so. What I like to do is, instead of starting at one corner and going right around, I like to install one trim on opposite sides. And to apply the adhesive, I do just a small bead across the face of the column, and then a small bead on the top of the base wrap. Then when the glue sets, it'll bond both surfaces together. And just hold that there for about 25-30 seconds. Okay, now we've installed the two opposite trims. It's time to install the last two, and same idea, just a bead of glue on that face. And a small bead on top of the wrap, and then just a small amount on each miter. And again, just hold it for another 20 seconds. If there's adhesive that comes out of the joint, just leave it. Don't wipe it, because it'll just smear it and actually damage the surface of the molding. Just hold it until it's all nice and dry. You can file the excess adhesive off later.